In this video, we will learn how to connect a soundbar to an LG TV using the Bluetooth feature. First, go to the home screen and open Settings using the Settings icon. Then go to Sound Settings and select the Sound Out option. Here, you will see multiple options. Next, go to Use Wireless Speaker. Then again, you will see some options. Here, click on the three dots next to the Bluetooth device option. Now you can modify these settings. Under Registered Devices, you can see the paired devices. And under Connectable Devices, you can see the available devices that you can connect. Just select the device and hit OK. It will start connecting. You can also modify the connected device settings. First is Bluetooth speaker volume. Using this option, you can increase or decrease the volume of the connected device. Now click on the back icon. So there are two options left. If you disconnect the device, it will auto-connect when it comes within range. But if you delete the device, you will have to pair it again to connect and register it. Now go back again. If you want to connect another device, just click on the available device and hit OK. But after connecting a new device, the old device will automatically disconnect. You can connect only one soundbar at a time. Now go back to the home screen and press the settings icon on the TV remote. Then choose the Sound Out shortcut and press the slider until you can see the Bluetooth device option. You can modify the Bluetooth device settings from here as well. Now we have learned how to connect a soundbar to an LG TV using the Bluetooth feature.